to play soccer today.
That's gonna be fun.
El Cheapo Banggood Special, Traxxas Bandit, and an expensive car. Which one does better?
That middle one.
You think the Banggood Special's good?
Yeah, but I really like the Rustler.
Is it fast?
Yes.
Well, let's find out.
And
All right, go. This here is the ZD Racing Banggood Special I ordered a couple weeks back. It's a kit car. You get it in pieces and you have to build it. The rear diffs come together. You got to put in the chassis, the support bars, and it comes with no electronics. You got to supply your own electronics. So I ordered it, built it. Everything on here, everything is from Banggood. I think I'm in this car for maybe 200 bucks. This servo was like $15. The motor ESC combo was like 80 bucks, and then I run a Dumbo RC receiver on it for like 30 bucks. So you just seen a video of it. It's pretty quick for what it is. I mean, granted, this is my motor and ESC and servos, and man, it stays straight. It holds good. It tracks good. It's got a LCG on it that makes it perfect for cornering. These tires, I mean, they're clearly off-road tires, but I completely burned them up. I was running on 4S lipos. The one thing I can say I didn't like about it was the shock caps kept coming loose and it lost all its oil in a couple of shocks. That one come loose and it lost all its oil. I mean, this one you can see all the oil in there. It's pretty bad. But given that it was a cheap car, I've seen people say they found them online for as little as $50 for this kit car. For that kind of money, for the chassis and suspension, it's a heck of a car. I'm not too upset with it. I thought I would be. I thought this was going to be one of those cars I build and put a cheap system in it and run it for a while and start breaking things, and then it's going to blow it up or something. I don't know. But no, it's actually turned out to be a pretty good little car. Now, I haven't hit any jumps with it, and the body won't fit on there with the battery I'm running. I got to order a smaller battery that'll fit in there. The one I'm running is huge, so we taped it on. But that's a pretty good car for what it is. And I'll tell you what, I'll put a link down below where you can find a car for yourself. Remember, it comes with no electronics. You have to supply your own. I think this motor and ESC, this Race Star motor and ESC, this is a programmable ESC. It's the program card's like $6. You can change it how it operates, which is nice. I didn't buy it. I wish I would have, because I didn't know at the time that you could do that with them. But for what it is, it's a really good car, really cool car. I mean, it is cheap. It's got its things about it, but it is a heck of a car. I didn't put a build video on this because the last build video I did, it seemed like many people didn't care for it or didn't like it or didn't watch it. I don't know. So unless you wanted to see the build, let me know and I'll start doing more build videos. But I've got a few projects coming in that are builds, and if you want to see them done, let me know and I will make a video. It's going to probably be a time-lapse video of the builds.